Hey guys, this video is about how to use Microsoft Word to help it make it easier to convert worksheets into arrays. The idea of this is we want to make the process more error-proof, we wanted to make it faster, we wanted to make it quicker and easier. Here I have it's not an array right now. What we have is basically just a vertical list. And I want to show you how easy it is to turn this into an array. To do that, we're going to do the find. I'm going to hit Control F, and I want to do a replace. And here's the key thing here. Word can find a line break if you just type in like a $P. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the line breaks with, check this out, a quote, a comma, and then a quote. And let me show you what happens here. See what I've done? I've basically almost turned this into an array. It's not finished. There's a little bit of cleanup work left to be done. Let me show you the cleanup work. I need to put an opening quote. I need to put an opening bracket. I need to get rid of this nonsense at the end. And I need to put an ending bracket. And there you go. That's the whole thing. I've taken a vertical list, turned it into an array. There's no errors. There's no chance for errors. A couple of things to keep in mind when you're doing this is it's going to be very important to make sure you have smart quotes off. You see how these quotes here they're vertical like hashes. They're not like the kind of pretty curly quotes. The way you do that is you go into the preferences and turn smart quotes off. If you don't know how to do that, just do a Google search online. But that's going to be important because if you use a smart quotes, they're read as characters, not as just quotation marks. Anyway, that's basically it, and I'll see you guys soon.